And a message people, this video is like super random. Recently I got one watch from Casio. Many of you guys are asking me to show that watch and also just talk about that. So I'm just gonna focus on when I got this option, why I got this, what I liked it, and who should get this particular option. To start with, this is the Casio AQ230, this watch in this silver stainless steel chain, and with the casing being the silver color and the dial being the white color, and they do have this digital as well as the normal watch, and it's super simple. When I got this option recently, I think during Christmas season हम लोग Secret Santa खेल रहे हैं. So for my brother I wanted to gift a watch. For that I went to the Casio store. Actually bought a Casio 85 for him. वो बहुत अच्छा है watch. Solar panel కూడా ఉందన్నమాట దానికి. So it's very good. Whenever I go to a Casio store or for that matter मैं online में ढूंढता है तो भी watches, I keep an eye on the Casio vintage collection. That's where I found out this AQ230 because I had an eye on this maybe 3 or 4 months back, but mostly it was out of stock. But when I saw this in the store, immediately I got this one. So why I got this option? One, if I just place this here, my wrist size is small. It is like perfect for my wrist size. And also the square shape, and not to mention the vintage aesthetic it gives. So in terms of the vibe, in terms of the dimensions, that's one of the reason. And what I like the most, previous video देखा है ना, the Cartier tank must alternative, the fossil option. The fossil option, it's a almost one-to-one alternative, bearing few minor exceptions, and also in terms of the craftsmanship, it's a one-to-one alternative. This is not a one-to-one alternative. In case if you love a square-shaped watch that gives the vibe of a Cartier tank in terms of the overall aesthetics, you should consider this option. And if you don't want this chain, you can just use a third-party band. 20 mm का लग है इसको. అది ఒక వాచ్ బ్యాండ్ తీసేసుకుంటే అమెజాన్లో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ కార్టియర్ ట్యాంక్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్. బట్ ఐ లైక్ దిస్ వైబ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్. ద చైన్ when compared to the normal 1300 or 999 options होता है ना Casio में, the basic Casio vintage option, compared to that Casio has improved a lot. The chain is extremely smooth, the stainless steel quality is good on the front as well as on the back, and also the casing also has been improved. And you guys, it's not any burst effect or anything as such what you can see on an expensive watch, but whatever it is, it has been very smooth and it has been really improved. I use this a good 7 to 8 times and I don't just pamper my watch or baby my watches, and hardly there were any scratches to the stainless steel, be it in terms of the case or in terms of this option. And also when it comes to this glass, it's basically a mineral glass. It's gonna scratch with time, that is for sure. That's what I observed with the other Casio watches, which I do have many Casio vintage options, just like this, one in this rose gold, or maybe the normal options in the silver 1300 option, or other options as well. So it's gonna get scratched with time. I'm not sure that whether that quality is also improved or not for this option. I can't comment at this point of time, but the overall build quality, overall the watch aesthetics, everything check. And the other point why Casio is a Casio, one, it's a proper watch company and it makes high quality options, but that's not everything. You get more than value for money whenever you buy something from Casio, be it on a budget price point or be it on their slightly expensive side also. You get more value for what you pay. This one I paid 2395. It's available on Amazon and on other sites at discounted price points. Amazon में अभी available है या नहीं पता नहीं, but in general vintage options, Casio vintage options, right now they are at discounted price points. So this option I paid 2300, right? But it is more value when it compares to the overall number of wears I can do with this option with time. Means it gels well just with an oversized t-shirt like this. If I am just wearing a normal t-shirt, it goes well, or with a shirt it goes well. It literally goes well with even a formal outfit as well because of a classy white dial, and also the chain being in this silver color. That's one advantage. And the other advantage, you can just easily customize the overall fit also just by unlocking this and adjusting wherever you want. Just unlock this clasp. And also it's an all-rounder watch in terms of the overall package. So if you want a Cartier tank alternative, but in a slightly different aesthetic, but still looking classy, still looking versatile, and also from one of a super crowd's favorite brand Casio, and also my favorite brand Casio, ये बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. So this is my recent pickup from Casio. It looks really great for my wrist size. In case if you don't like smaller size dials, I think this dial size is somewhere at 26 mm or maybe 28 mm, very small. So in case if you don't like smaller size dials, this is not the watch for you. Video pasand aa gaya nahi aa gaya, comment section mein pande, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.